select the destination as Mysore, it will fetch the latitude and longitude of this node, and it will be shown in our Google map. That is destination is Mysore, and the source what position, current position of users, and this node will be shown like it's like a node from user to this node. The distance between user and the destination. And once user clicks on Mysore as a Mumbai as a destination, he has to click on the fetch button to fetch the latitude and longitude of this node. Once the latitude is fetched, it will be shown on the Google Maps.